Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing this simple floral arrangement using styrofoam bowl. Please subscribe to my channel and put notification button. Thank you. I'm using this 40 centimeter styrofoam bowl. All you have to do is cut it in the middle using a saw. So there's always a line in the middle of a styrofoam bowl. So all you have to do is cut it using the saw, but it's very messy. You can see everywhere there's styrofoam bowl. I'm using this turntable I bought from Amazon. It's very handy. So these flowers came in as flower heads, so I have to glue the sticks on it in order to put into the styrofoam. This one I bought it in only flower heads to make the floral arrangement a bit cheaper. Because the foam is big, 40 centimeter, we'll be pushing the flower straight through and letting it lie on the surface. But if you want your floral arrangement to be massive, you need to leave a space between the flower and the foam. But this gives like that. But this one makes problem when you're transporting the floral arrangement, because if you squeeze it, it will spoil the arrangement. As well as you need to have technique to be able to make the flower to be round shape while leaving a lot of space. But for today, we are just pushing it straight through and letting it lie on the surface, so you can do this in your sleep. It's not difficult. You just push it in, you just go through with it to the end, just pushing it in, yeah, like that.